It's a cloud taking over
those
the
clouds
sky.
are fucking diesel, right?
But look at how many thunderstorms we had in the last 19 years, and it's like
This is a huge cloud. Just in a few minutes, this all formed.
And it was basically the same thing going, but then it was dark as fuck, like black, and going and then taking over the
It
like.
was last year, right?
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm scared. I'm scared.
That
This
shit had me like.
this thing is just taking over.
I wanna watch
People.
the movie. Tell it.
Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm never gonna have to. I'm never gonna. It's starting to rain. It's starting to drizzle real bad.
I told my mom when I got some. This is nice clothes.
Oh man.
It's here.
Yeah.
Anthony.
Anthony.
It's here. Rain dance, baby.
Oh. It got real bad real fast.
That's my coffee, baby.
Let's go fucking Really?
It got real bad real quick. It's starting to drizzle real bad.
Really?
Uh,
Alright. I'll go and play with it. I'm gonna get really smoked and I'll say no.
Oh, what?
Kevin, just make your own. Here, Kevin, hold this. Ready?
We're gonna get stuff for that though.
No, we're not.
my brother and his girlfriend are gonna run outside in the rain.
Oh, let's go.
I'm safe in here. My dog, my dog.
Oh my god.
YouTube, let's hope I survive, alright? Bye for now.